The Tkinter GUI Designer is part of the MD Python Designer package, which features a total of 6 Python GUI designers. They can be accessed by clicking this small triangle on the right hand side of the new button. And then we need to hover over new Python script, and here we can see the 6 different GUI designers. In this example, I'll be using the Tkinter GUI Designer. To open it, all I need to do is click on the Tkinter Script, head over to the Programming tab, click GUI Designer, and here we are prompted towards it. This space is for creating individual widgets, frames, and interfaces while keeping them interconnected through one global interface and one file. To open up our first one, all I'm going to do is click New. As you can see on the left hand side, we have our widgets. Tkinter doesn't support our instruments, but MD Python and MatDeck Script does. We have implemented also I/O widgets into Tkinter, and we also have containers which solve no inputs and are just used to hold other widgets. As you can see on the right hand side, we have the customization side. We have the background color, the font color if it's applicable, what type of cursor we would like, do we want it to be enabled, and also here we can select the layout and link it to an event function, as well as change the positioning and size. For now, I'm just going to do a nice simple example in which I'm going to add one line text box. We can also resize it using these little squares, and then I'm also going to add one button, and then the resizing goes the same for both. Now all I'm going to do is just click done, and as you can see, it generates the code straight away. Now to see what it looks like, we can click evaluate, and we can see that it has created our little widget. However, as this is quite simple and unrealistic, what I want to do now is I want to implement some changes. So all I need to then do is click close, GUI Designer, edit again, and now I actually want to copy this. So I use the right click, paste it, and do the same for this button here. I'm going to copy and paste it. Here I'm just going to say check, and then this I'm going to change to enter. I could also add more widgets or change the color, the font for the buttons, and so forth, but to keep it fast, all I'm going to do is make those 2 changes. Now when I click done, as you can see, the code has been generated again and updated, and then I click evaluate, and if we review our GUI Designer, we can see the added text box as well as the added button with the updated texts.